Okay, new location to fly. Just walking in was pretty cool. Saw some kangaroos. Let's fly around now. The goal is to go up high, dive down between these two mounds and come down here really fast. And then do the same, but opposite. Let's first have a fly around, have a look at the area. That's fine. Let's have a looky. So we have this as our location. So they're building new houses all through there. I live over there. And then we have this to fly around. So the kangaroos were over here somewhere. Obviously we're not gonna scare them or fly near them. But luckily I had my camera on when I was walking through here. Okay, so the goal is to make a little bit of break up there, just behind this mound. So the goal is to fly down here, but from higher up. Actually, we could come up this one, like so, and then we could dive down this one, but I've got to be careful not to whack myself in the back of the head. Let's go for some straighter ones first. Yeah, now I'm going to take my head off there. Maybe I need to move somewhere else. Perhaps let's just put that into sport. Beauty of the Avata that you can do that, and the Neo. So back into manual. Let's have a looky. Right, so the camera is there. We need to get nice and high and fly. Looks much smaller when you're flying. When you're standing there, you're like, oh yeah, I can fly down that. Oh, that's a bit better. Wow, I didn't think this was going to be this hard. Okay, C, path. Ooh, that is coming in hot. Okay. So in reverse, it's going to look something like that. Let's actually do one up this path. Yeah, this will look cool. So up here. Yeah. Okay. Good job we got the beeper. Doesn't sound too far away. Let me show you what we're dealing with. It's not too far away, but the way I just tried there's loads of bees. So we've got to try and come around the other side of it. So it's in there, but when I went in that way, there's loads of bees. I think they're all around that tree, plant. But I've got shorts on. It's not a good plan. Oh. It's a horrible sound when you can hear them. Don't sting me. Beeper is a godsend though. Oh, Jesus Christ. There it is. Right. Got it. Now to get back out without getting stung. But basically I have to trace my way back through where I lost my drone because I lost my microphone. So this was on my goggles, and then I realised when I was just packing up to move to somewhere else that my microphone was missing, and guessed it was in the trees. Well, I ducked under that branch bushy thing and I must have knocked against it then. Luckily went back in and I found it. Okay, so on that note, we saw some kangaroos, which was cool. We flew in a new location, which was cool-ish. Didn't work out. I'm not going to go and fly further down. I'm going to go home, get on with some work, and leave that battery until tomorrow, and hopefully do something a bit cooler. Then let's see. I've got to try and get that Pavo back working. I had a quick look at it earlier. Still not working. I've got to take it to pieces, try and work out what's wrong with the 04 light, and I'll let you know. Speak to you guys in the next one, and hopefully it'll be a bit more exciting. What the hell was that?